All right, hey you guys. Miss Alyssa wanted me to do a video on the wrap tutorial or the wrap pictures that I put on earlier today. So here it goes. And the crazy thing is, it's going to take me less than, I don't know, 5 minutes, I'm sure. So, folded it just a teeny bit. Remember, when you want the design to be in the front, you put that fold in the back. Pull it, grab it around your ears. Just like in that video, I said crisscross in the front, like that. Bring them to the back. And while you're bringing it to the back, make sure it's pretty flattened out, like that. Then you crisscross in the back, and you bring it to the front again. And this time, you're gonna tie like you're tying your shoestrings. It's gonna be a little tight, but trust me, it'll work. And now, whoa, wait a minute, sorry guys. Bring it. Hey Christian. And we're tying it. Look, it's just now being a minute. Tuck that. And you have, if I can see, you have your flower. I think I can see it. Yeah, there it is. Give me a kiss. Yes, so this is for sale today. If you comment on this video that you want it, I think I have 2 left. They're normally $25, but if you want, I can take $8 off. And again, I have hoops too, not just these rectangles. So after all that talking and everything, it's just at 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Hi.
See? Holla.
Hi.